Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to move your assets securely is crucial. Today, we're breaking down how to send Ethereum from your Ledger Nano X to Binance step by step. This guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, ensuring you stay safe while making the transfer. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet with some Ethereum stored in it, a computer or mobile device to connect it to, and a verified Binance account. Also, double-check that your ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 security standards. It's a quick process through the Ledger Live app. Alright. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your device using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on your Ledger by navigating through the device menu. This is where your ETH is securely stored offline. Next, head over to the Ledger Live software on your computer or use a compatible web wallet like MyEtherWallet. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select your Ethereum wallet. Now, to send to Binance, you'll need your Binance wallet address. Log into your Binance account, go to your wallet, and copy the ETH deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Once you have the address, go back to Ledger Live or your wallet interface. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send, paste the Binance address, and review the transaction details carefully. Hit Send, and confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen. It'll show the amount and recipient. After confirmation, the transaction will be broadcast to the Ethereum network. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Binance account to see when the ETH arrives. A quick word on safety. Always verify addresses multiple times, never share your seed phrase, and be wary of phishing sites. Crypto can be risky, so stay vigilant. There you have it, folks. That's how you send Ethereum from your Ledger Nano X to Binance in 2025. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and crypto savvy. See you in the next video.